Welcome back to my channel, where I am committed to sharing videos with you that will help you make money online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an online store without having a website. Okay, if you sell things online, whether digital product or physical product, or you plan on selling stuffs online very soon, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can set up an online store that will help you process your payment and also carry your landing page and your product details, and then give you the best experience you can have when it comes to selling online. All right, so one of the ways to make money is by selling something. All right, that's a very simple ancient way of making money. You sell something. All right, and on the internet, before you can sell something, you need an online store. All right, if you have a website, you can use your website for that purpose. But if you don't have a website, in this video I'll show you how you can skip all of those processes and then set up your online store very easily. If this is your first time of seeing my video on YouTube, you're welcome. I'm Emmanuel, and on this channel I share videos with you that will help you make money online. If you like this type of content, just go ahead and tap the subscribe button below. Turn on notification so that YouTube will notify you anytime I upload a money making video like this. All right, so let's get into the video. But before that, if you enjoy what I'm sharing with you, if you enjoy this tutorial, make sure you give this video a like, and also don't forget to share your opinions and questions in the comment section below. I love to see you guys comment. All right, so let's get into the video, how you can create an online store. Now we are going to be using a third-party platform. Okay, since you don't have a website, we are not trying to build your own website here. We'll be using a third-party platform, and the platform is called Selar. Okay, Selar.co is such an amazing platform. All right, when signing up is free, which means you can create your online store on their website for free. They'll help you host your product or help you sell your product, whether physical product or digital product, or ticket or membership site, whatever it is. You can even host your online courses on Selar. All right, and aside from that, you can accept payments in different currencies. They also give you a landing page and basically everything you need in your online store. Selar is going to give it to you. Okay, so I've been using this platform for a while. Majorly, I use it a lot to sell my product. I use Selar a lot. All right, so to sign up is very simple. Just come to selar.co and then open this up. All right, so as you can see on this page here, you can see what your store will look like. You can have as many products as you want on your store. Okay, and one of the nice features I found about Selar is you can install your Facebook pixel, and then you can enable Facebook tracking. Okay, so when you are running Facebook ads to sell your product, you can use the Facebook pixels on Selar to track the conversions and every other action you're optimizing your ad for. Okay, so sell any kind of product, service, or subscription. You can sell digital products, you can sell ebooks, you can sell courses and memberships, you can sell event tickets and trainings, you can sell services, physical goods. You see, so whether you are selling digital product or you sell physical products, with this you will literally not need a website again. All you just have to do is to come here, set up your store and list your product and start marketing. All right, it's very simple and easy. Just create an account and whatever. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can set it up. Okay, never lose an international customer again. You can receive payments, as I said earlier, in different currencies. Okay, we've integrated multiple payment gateways to ensure you can receive payments from anywhere in the world. That means if you have your product on Selar, you can market your product or your service to anybody anywhere in the world. All right, so we have also added support for local payment methods for our 8 supported currencies. Okay, right now no longer 6 but 8 currencies, including PayPal, Stripe, and whatever. All right, so to sign up is very easy. Just come to start selling here, and then you'll click on start selling. Okay, sorry, let me just log out of this account. All right, so I'll just log out temporarily of this account right here. Okay, so once you are here, because I already have an account with Selar, it brought me to this page. In fact, it took me to my dashboard directly. All right, but what you want to do is to create an account. Okay, for you who does not have an account with Selar before, once you click on start selling, it should bring you here. Okay, now this is where you want to fill in your username. You create your own username for yourself. You enter your email address, you enter your full name, and then you enter your password, and then you click on create account. Okay, so let me just create a demo account here right now. All right, so your email address, just enter your email address here. Then here you can put in your full name, and then you can enter your password. You create a password for yourself, then you click on create account. All right, so as simple as this, your account has been successfully created. Okay, it's very easy. So the first thing you want to do is to set up your bank details. Now your bank details, when people pay, when your customers pay for your products or your services on Selar, the bank account you are going to set up is what you use to collect your payments. Okay, it is as simple as that. All right, so you can just come over here and click on set up bank details. Okay, so as you can see, you can choose your country here. If it's available, you select your bank, and then you enter your account number, then you click verify account details. Okay, all right, so I've done the account verification of the camera. So once you've done that, your dashboard is going to look like this: products on your store zeros, number of sales zero, customer zeros, and total Selar earnings within the last 30 days will be zero as well. All right, so once you've successfully set up your account, the next thing you want to do is to enlist your product. Okay, so all you just have to do here, okay, before then you want to come over to the settings. Just click on this menu icon here, and then come over to the settings right here. Now this is where you do some fundamental basic settings on your store. Here you can add your image here, and then you can add your store name, your store username, you can add your email address, you can add a description of your store, you can add Instagram username, Twitter username, Facebook URL, and whatever. Okay, so once you've done all of that, you can then come down here and you see miscellaneous store settings. Do you want to get the customer's phone number when they're buying? You can tick that, or you can check it off. All right, you want to show checkout button, and then the description on the checkout button, you can edit that here. All right, you can change this to pay or checkout. All right, so whatever you want. All right, so who pays for the Selar transaction charge? Okay, when buying on Selar, there's always a charge on it. So it's either Selar will charge you or they will charge the customer. Now this is where you fix that. Is it you or is it the customer? Whichever one. Enable product cross-sell. That means when they buy, they see other products on your store. You want to enable this as well. Okay, you want to add tax customers payment? No, you should leave that off, and all of that. All right, show store categories on sidebar. You can turn this off so that to help you sell other product. Okay, allow product ratings and all of that. Okay, so once you are done with that, you can just click on update. All right, so once you are sure of all these settings, you can come back here and then start putting up your product. Okay, you just come to product and then come to all products. So as you can see, you don't have any product right now, so you can just click on add a product. So you can decide, is it a physical product you want to add, or a digital product, a ticket, a subscription, service, course. Hosting a course on Selar, you have to upgrade to the pro plan. Okay, you want to stream an online video, audio, you want a membership area, flexible subscription, and all of that. So let's say what we want to sell is a digital product. Let's say an ebook, for instance. I'll just come to digital product here and click on next. All right, so this is where you upload details of the product. Okay, so here you can just add an image of the product. So let me just pick an image very quickly. Okay, let me just look for all right, so let's say this is the image of the book we want to sell. So I can just bring this right here. All right, so you can just add the name of the book. So let's say the name of the book is Make Money Online Secrets. So let's say that's the name of my book. So you can add the price here. How much is your book? Let's say the book is 5,000 naira. All right, you want Selar to show strike out price. So when this is the actual price, but you can create a price hanger. Let's say want the strikeout price to be 10,000 naira. So I'll just add 10,000 naira. So when they want to pay 10,000 naira will be striked out, then they can pay 5,000 naira. Maybe you are doing a bonus sale, okay, for a particular period of time, they can get it for 5,000 naira instead of the actual price of 10,000 naira. Now right here, this is where you add the description of your book. Okay, this will add to your landing page. Okay, so they can read more about your book. Here you can select the product type, if it's a digital product or whatever. All right, and if it's a product on pre-order, you can enable this. All right, so categories, if you have categories on your store, you can choose a category. Now here, do you want to give buyer access to the file so that they can download, or you want to redirect them to an external URL? Let me just reduce this video here. Okay, if you want to redirect them to an external URL, you enable this and then you turn off this, then you bring the URL and paste here. All right, but if you want to give the buyer access to file, you just upload your file here. Okay, so to upload, let's say now that the example I'm using here is a book, so I'll just upload the book here. Okay, so let me just look for any PDF file on my computer and add. All right, so let's say this is the book. I can just upload that. Now once they make payment successfully, they'll be able to download this automatically without you doing anything. Okay, now this seller helping you make money even when you are not there. All you just have to do is to do the marketing. When they buy, seller, if you collect your payment, they get what they paid for, and then 24 hours later you get your payment. All right, so once you are done with all of this, you have added your details, the price, the title, the picture, you can come over to advanced options here, and then you can create a custom checkout button. Okay, you can use get or pay 5,000 naira now. All right, so you can customize your checkout button that way. Okay, so once you are done with all these settings here, you all just have to do is to click on create product. Okay, seems something is missing. I'll need to add a description of the product. So what I'll just do, I'll just get any text and put it there. Okay, so this is just a demo product. So I'll just copy this and put. So once I've done that, I can just go ahead and click on create product. Okay, so congratulations, your product has been added. You can view it now. This is a link to this product. Okay, so if I copy this link right here and bring it on another tab, I can see what customers will see once they visit this link. Okay, so in all your promotions, this is a link that you're going to use. Once I click on the link, it's going to bring them over to your seller store right here. Okay, it's going to bring them to your seller store right here, where they can actually go ahead and pay. Okay, they can pay for the course here, and then you get your money, and then they get the product that they pay for, and then everything is so easy. All right, so if you come to your dashboard right now, you can see we have one product here. We've made 0 sales, and as a result we have 0 customers and all of that. Now let's say you want to add a physical product. You come over to add product again, and then you click on next. Maybe you sell shoes, bags, or you are into e-commerce, all right, or drop shipping, whatever. All you just have to do is to bring the picture of the bag here or whatever you are selling. Okay, so let's say we are selling ladies bag. So let me just get a picture that I will use right there. Okay, so let's say we are selling this. So I'll just okay, that's not downloadable. All right, let's say we are selling this. So I'll just download this. I'll bring my video back here. All right, so let's say we are selling this. So I'll just drag the picture and bring. Okay, so this is the bag they want to pay for. Here you can put the name of the bag. Okay, let me just get the name. Fashion ladies bag. Okay, just copy that, then I'll edit it right here. Okay, so I'll just paste, then all right, so let's say that's the name of the bag. Okay, so let's say the price is let's say 15,000 naira. Then the normal price, you can say the normal price is 25,000 naira, but they are getting it at a discount price of 15,000 naira. Okay, so right here you want to add the description of the bag. Okay, this is actually a product on Gigi I'm using as an example. All right, so let me just copy this description here and paste. Okay, this product has multiple variants. You can enable that. Okay, if you have different sizes, different packages, all right, and different offers, you can just use that. Okay, so here you can set quantity available. Let's say you have just 50 of them available. Physical product, the category is a physical product, so we leave it at that. All right, okay, so do you want to redirect buyers to an external link or not? Okay, so you can check this, or you can leave it as well. All right, so once you're done, you can come to the advanced and then change the checkout button to maybe buy now. All right, okay, so let's say we have this. So here they're giving you option to hide this product from your store homepage. If you don't want everybody to see the product, you can just check this button so that only people who have the link will be able to see it. Okay, so once you've done, you just create product. So let's see. All right, so let's visit this link and see what we have right here. So let me paste this. All right, so right now you see our bag in our store. This name of the bag, the description. They can put the quantity they want to buy. Is it 4, 5? And as you can see, customers can leave reviews on your seller store. Okay, so that new customers can know if your products are good or not. So just click buy now. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this from the cart. So let's say checkout. Here you can add your name, your email address, and then this is where physical products are different, because you need to deliver it to them. They can add the address for shipping, and then they can add a note. Okay, so customers can just add the address here. Once they pay, you get the address, and then you can deliver it to them. So as you can see, Selar is not just a place for digital product. You can sell physical product as well. You can sell memberships, you can sell subscriptions, and all of that. Okay, so it's just a very cool tool. And one unique feature is that it is very easy to use. You don't need to have a knowledge of web design or development before you can have a store on Selar. All right, so the next time you want to sell your product, whether physical product or digital product, you might not have to go through too much stress again. All you just have to do is to come to Selar here, set up your store and list your product, and you are good to go. All right, so it's very, very simple. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you have questions, you can leave them in the comment section. I'll be there to answer them. All right, so thank you for watching to the end. I will see you in the next video.